Today we are going to talk about how to have a career in gaming on YouTube. So what exactly is YouTube gaming career? Well, it's all about making videos about games and sharing them with the world. You get to play your favorite game, show off your skills and entertain people who love gaming just as much as you. To start, you need to find your passion. Think about the games you really enjoy playing and what excites you the most. This will help you focus your effort and create content that you genuinely love. Next, practice is the key. Just like any skill, you need to practice regularly and get better. Spend time improving your gameplay, learning new strategies, and developing your skills. The more you practice, the more you stand out from the crowd. Building an online presence is also important. Create account on platforms like YouTube and start sharing your gaming videos. Be consistent and post quality content that shows off your personality and skills. Engage with your viewers by streaming live gameplay, making tutorials, and sharing a funny, exciting moments from your gaming adventures. Networking and collaborations are essential too. Connect with other gamers, streamers, and other content creators in your niche. Attend gaming conversation, join online events, and be a part of gaming community. Collaborating with others can open door to the new opportunities and help you grow your audience. Lastly, stay positive and persistent. Building a YouTube gaming career takes time and effort. There will be ups and downs, but don't give up. Stay positive, keep creating content, and always strive to improve. With dedication and persistence, you can turn your passion for gaming into successful career on YouTube. And if you're planning to start now, so here is a video you can check this out. 5 tips for new gaming YouTubers. Good luck for your YouTube gaming journey.